Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch every videos. Bougainvillea is very beautiful flowering vine. The flower bracts are very attractive. They enhance the beauty of any garden. Bougainvillea blooms well in warm climate. The temperature is very low here, although they are blooming very nicely. All the plants are blooming in full sun location. They prefer direct sunlight. This plant also love heat. It's a mixed color bougainvillea, coloring of white and pink. I always feed them with compost a good dose upon planting. Pruning is important to grow in containers. This plant can be grown as bonsai as well. Watch the video till the end. We are watching some beautiful bougainvilleas from the garden. More than 250 varieties of bougainvillea are available. In some previous videos I have shared another varieties. If you like bougainvillea, do visit this channel to watch the videos. This plant is very hardy plant. When it comes to watering, it prefers a good deep watering every 3 to 4 weeks rather than frequent shallow watering. I prune them in late winter and it is big pruning. Dwarf varieties are well suited on entryways. Extra large varieties are best to grow in outer location. This plant prefers well draining soil. We can mix some compost with the soil so that the soil will be well draining. Bougainvillea prefers acidic soil. We can mix some acidic element with the soil like vinegar so that the pH of the soil will be below 7. Soil should be slightly acidic, so do not mix it in large quantities. pH of the soil should be 5.5 to 6. These are new plants have started blooming. Bougainvillea are very low maintenance plant. I apply fertilizer every few months. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel clicking the subscribe button to never miss a video. Thank you for watching this video.